Happy Thursday from Hollywood Studios. It is a blustery day indeed. It is super windy, so the audio is probably gonna not be the greatest, but we're here. We're gonna check out what they got to offer, especially for the holiday season.
Yeah, it's been a really long time since we've been here.
It's been about 6 months. We don't come often because of the kids. They can't really ride too much, so we stick to Epcot and Magic Kingdom, but we're here and let's enjoy it. Welcome to Hollywood Studios. We'll definitely be checking out all the offerings that they have going on, and we are excited to get some Starbucks to kick off the day the right way with one of those croissant sandwiches and a coffee. We'll see you inside. The holidays are in full swing here at Hollywood Studios, and it's looking awesome. This is probably one of the better parks for festivities regarding holiday season. And at night, I'm not sure if they still have the projection show on the Twilight Tower of Terror. I'm not sure if that might be exclusive to Jollywood Nights now, but we'll definitely be checking that out later as well. We're inside the Starbucks now, and these cups look awesome. Looks like it's a little candy cup. Here at the Starbucks, we'll find the typical Starbucks offerings. We will probably be starting off the day with a vanilla sweet cream cold brew and one of their sandwiches, and we'll see what else we can get for the kids.
Look at this little ornament.
Oh, and they also have some Starbucks cup ornaments. We just got our breakfast for the day, starting off right with a cold brew and the double smoked sandwich. So we are all done with our meals, have our coffee in our hands, and we're gonna try to go on the Mickey's Runaway Railway. So we'll see you inside. So we just had a fellow Disney visitor give us a green little dinosaur that he had from the DVC event that took place recently, and you know, that's what Disney's all about. It's the people and the cast members. That's, you know, what really brings the magic to the parks. Thank you for, we didn't catch your name, but thank you if you see this vlog. We are actually in the Real Vogue store, and we see all these Sully and oh, Ducky and Bunny, but it looks like it's primarily Sully things, and I've never seen this merch. I don't know if it's pretty recently added, but this hat is just looking great. They also have these awesome looking Up plushes, especially Kevin. You guys know I love my Kevin. And these ornaments of Carl Fredricksen and Ellie's house. They also have this Turning Red merch. Let's see what else they got. Oh, it looks like it is a doll. That is pretty cool. We have some more figurine sets. And a Red Panda plush. We have just gotten to Runaway Railway, and it seems that it's a 55-minute standby wait time. We do have a lightning lane, so you know, we'll be entering through there, and hopefully it's not too much of a wait.
We're on full march. See you all later. Nothing can stop us now.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
So we just got off the Runaway Railway. Awesome ride as always. The kids really loved it, and now we're gonna be checking out the attractions on Sunset Boulevard. Walking down Sunset Boulevard with Hollywood Tower of Terror at the end of the street. Hopefully we can get on that a little bit later in the day. I think there's a high wait for it right now. Let's check out the Rock and Roller Coaster. I know it was recently under refurbishment about a couple months ago. Not sure if we've been on it since then, but we'll definitely let you know if you know, we see any changes or anything like that to the ride. Right now it's a 55-minute wait, not too bad. We've always seen this K&R Rock Station little food booth, but we've never purchased anything from here. We just got some corn dog nuggets with a side of chips, and it was, I believe, $10.79 plus tax. They look pretty good, but I think Casey's Corner definitely has them beat. Pretty rare shot. It's usually never this quiet in this area, but just the background of the Aerosmith.
All right, what'd you think?
Awesome ride as always, but always leaves me a little dizzy.
It was wild. It was really fun.
All right, now let's go on the Tower of Terror and check that out.
On speed and lazy inside at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, con su seguridad.
Row 6 up left. How was it?
It was good.
How was it?
Best ride in Hollywood Studios.
I agree. It's been my favorite ride for a long time.
We're actually in line to meet the Goof here at Hollywood. And we're next. Hey Goof, how are you?
Bye, Goofy.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Goof. Yeah, thank you. I'm actually really interested in trying a Ronto wrap. I've never ordered one or tried one. For you guys that have tried them, please let us know in the comments what they taste like. I know they have sausage and like a peppercorn sauce, but I don't know if there's anything that, you know, might taste like that. You know, believe it or not, we've never really explored this little marketplace area too much. We aren't the biggest Star Wars fans, but you know, we can appreciate all the architecture and all the thought process that went into making this place. They also have some specialty popcorn. I can't remember the flavors, but that's definitely something to try out. Here we have Millennium Falcon. I believe the Smuggler's Run is only a 30-minute wait, which is not too bad. The crowd levels aren't too crazy today. It's Thursday before all the schools and you know, people go on holiday break, so it's definitely nice to get some time away from those big crowds. Walking through Galaxy's Edge, it's definitely one of the livelier themed areas. of all of Disney World. Pandora's pretty good too. Here we have the milk stand, which houses the green and blue milk. I have tried both, and definitely the blue milk is a lot better. It has this coconutty and like s'mores flavor to it, or Smarties rather, and the green has a citrusy Sprite taste to it, but you can also get them with alcohol, and the blue milk is far superior in my opinion. We actually got a blue milk, as always, tasting great. Definitely a coconutty blue Smarties flavor, definitely. For all you Smartie lovers, definitely a drink for you. So it looks like Rise of the Resistance is only a 55-minute wait today. So let's go ahead and jump on.
Take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Nom and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. With seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get him.
We just got off the ride. Awesome ride as always. We were in the second row, so we weren't able to get the best footage for the video, but we will include that little snip of what we did get, and trust us guys, it's a great ride. It's super fun and you will love it. Galaxy's Edge is definitely an awesome land. Let's see if we can get on Millennium Falcon, or maybe we'll just head over to Toy Story Land and see what we can do over there.
All right, now we're going into Toy Story Land to try out the new holiday box tart edition. Let's see how it is.
They have a new hot cocoa one. I believe it has like marshmallows or something like that on it. So I'll be getting that, and Gia will stick to her favorite raspberry tart.
Yep.
But I'll let you guys know how it tastes.
Let's see. All right, so here we have it, the tart, and this one has chocolate fudge filling, hot chocolate marshmallow fondant, and mini marshmallows on top. So let's see how it is. Okay, let's see.
Let's try this out.
How is it? Pretty good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It kind of tastes like a regular chocolate Pop-Tart, but the pastry of these tarts are beyond any like regular Pop-Tart you guys may have tried. If you haven't ever tried any of them, definitely try this out. I still like the raspberry a little bit more, just the overall flavoring pops out a lot more, but it's a good seasonal. Definitely one of the better ones.
It's good, but I personally still prefer the raspberry one, but it's pretty good.
We have holiday ham out for the season. A huge picture opportunity. Everybody loves holiday ham. We also have the alien Christmas balls. We have one over there sleeping, it seems. Awesome addition to Toy Story Land during the holidays as well. Toy Story Land is probably our favorite area, our favorite themed land in all of Walt Disney World. just the you know, the colored ornaments when they light up at night. And not only that, but they also have a really nice holiday overlay, especially with the alien swirling saucer ride. They put different holiday themed music. And Slinky Dog, they also do like a little sleigh bell sound effect. Here we have Woody with his holiday scarf, just in time for the season. Rex with his antlers.
There goes Slinky Dog with a new toy.
Oh, I wish Slinky Dog.
And the magic of Toy Story Land at night with all the lights. Let's check out some Toy Story Mania action. So that was actually probably one of my better games. 234,000, not too bad. I know there's some tips and tricks online to get them higher scores, but never really looked into that. But not bad, getting better. We're gonna go ahead and conquer Slinky Dog now. He is a 65-minute wait, and it's not too bad for Thursday night. There's no off season at Disney World anymore, unfortunately, but we'll take 65 minutes, definitely.
Here we go.
Don't worry, I got that. I'll edit. Just got off Slinky Dog, and of course, as always, a springy and awesome ride. Right now we're down Sunset Boulevard, and NGS said that they were doing the sunset projections, so we're just waiting on it for it to go off, and we'll be able to show you guys.
1, 2, 3,
Our gifts can give all year. Joyous tidings to you.
Sunset greetings, everyone. We also have the snow going on. It's snowing in Central Florida. There's plenty coming down. It is snowing down Sunset Boulevard. It is a sight to be seen. Guys, it doesn't get any more magical than this. We have snow in Central Florida. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for us for today from Hollywood Studios. Hope you enjoyed. And it was a great day. A lot of holiday offerings, and the Round Up Rodeo, awesome. It's my personal favorite sit-down table service here in Disney World. We hope you had a good time watching, and hope you subscribe and follow our family, and we hope to see you down by the castle.